What's up everyone, it's your boy Mike, Hawk Crypto Mining. In today's video we're going to talk about what your GPU is actually worth. Now a lot of people go to various different sites like StockX and eBay and Amazon to really try to gauge what your GPU is worth, but there's a site that we've all been to now that is taking trades on GPUs, and the pricing might actually be really good if you're a buyer, not so good if you're a seller. But if you're looking to buy GPUs, you're going to want to stick around for this video. So let's roll the intro, let's roll the ad, let's talk about it. Today's video is sponsored by Altair, Bitcoin mining solutions, or altairtech.io, your one-stop shop for all your Bitcoin mining needs, parts, accessories, and even miners if you guys are interested in buying. Now, the market is good right now, so the prices here are very competitive. If you guys are interested in buying replacement boards, even a low-key kit, you guys can get in there, get new power supplies if you're looking to overclock, whatever you want to do. Their prices for the ASIC miners are very competitive, and I am really impressed. So if you guys are interested, hit up altairtech.io and tell them Hawk Crypto Mining sent you. Hold up 1 second. Before we get into it, please understand that nothing in this video, or this channel for that matter, is financial advice. You make all your decisions on your own. Make sure you do your own research and really study the prices before you list them. This is just me giving you some education, and I want to show you guys what I would do and how I would properly gauge prices. All right, enough of that. Let's roll into it. Okay, so now we're at Newegg.com. Yes, you heard me correctly. Newegg.com is doing GPU trade-ins. Now, hold on. You can't just turn in 8 GPUs and think you can get something else. It don't work that way. It's 1 GPU per order, and it gives you a value of that GPU. So now we're at the home page. We're going to hit trade-in here on the top right next to feedback. We're going to scroll down, and bam, here you go. Now, this is probably one of the most accurate ways right now to price a GPU. And I'm only saying this because you guys have heard me talk. I got 3090s for $450 a piece. Let's scroll down to 3090 here, and boom, $457. So I know it's accurate. Now, a lot of people are going to be selling GPUs for crazy prices. I mean, if you've gone on OfferUp or any of these sites, people still got like $2,000 3090s out there. Guys, if you're new to the game, do not spend that kind of money on GPUs. It's not worth it. It's a buyer's market right now. If you're looking to sell, this might be an accurate way to gauge your prices. Now, if you're like me and you had a bunch of 6600 XTs and for $108, you're kind of going, ugh, like I spent so much money during the bull run. Why would I sell them for $108? Well, if you don't need to sell them, you shouldn't sell them. You should wait. Right? That's my advice on that. But hey, you make your own decision. That advice is not financial advice. It's just regular advice. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys this site because it's so important to know what you can gauge your GPUs for. So I hope you guys like it. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Check out this site. I mean, look at this. 3060 Ti's are $176. I remember paying like $1,100 or $1,200 during the bull run for a 3060 Ti Founders Edition. It really just depends on what deal you can strike. And honestly, there's probably a lot of people getting rid of hardware right now, and this may be the best time to start loading up, right? I mean, as of today, I think Bitcoin hit like 34,000, which is why I got my HODL shirt on. So wanted you guys to check this out. Again, link in the description below. Okay, so I want to add on a couple things to this. Now, you guys saw my video where I bought 200 plus GPUs for $5,000. Killer deal. I mean, the guy just wanted out. You know, he ended up spending like $300,000 on all those GPUs in the bull run. Now, look, if you're in a sticky situation and you have to sell your units, look, don't be ashamed of doing it. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm pretty sure you can find buyers. In the Terra Hosting Discord channel, we have a marketplace, and there's always people looking to buy GPUs and equipment. So feel free to join our Discord channel and post them in there. No charge. Don't worry about it. Just please be honest. Otherwise, I will ban you from the Discord. All right. Anyway, with that being said, I do think it is a good time to get some GPUs. I am in the market right now for 3090s. I did buy 15 of them, which is why I got them for $450 a piece. It wasn't just me. There were 2 other people that came in on the deal with me. I'm always looking for deals. So I think when I find them, I'm going to announce them now on the YouTube channel. So if you guys are interested, you can hit me up in the Discord. maybe we can get together and get some really good deals on graphics cards. And you never know, we do a group buy, it could be great. If you are looking to host your GPUs, Terra Hosting is available. We do have room at 11 cents a kilowatt hour. It's plug and play and you don't have to worry. So if you guys are interested in that, hit me up in the Discord as well. We also have fully managed options, and there is some GPUs for sale in the marketplace right now, as a matter of fact, so make sure you check that out. Well guys, this is the end of the video. I know it's a short one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe on the way out, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Hawk out.